Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Gundam Converge Core number 18. This is the Crossbone Gundam X3. So the Converge Core series is basically the premium Bandai series of Converge. So you have like the regular Converge series, then you have the Converge EX line, which are just standard release, but they're just kind of the larger, more mobile armor stuff. And the Converge Core stuff is also stuff that's sold through the P-Bandai store. So like with any P-Bandai kit, we just have a monochrome box here. Just this is number 18 in the Converge Core line, and there you can see just the Crossbone Gundam X3 there in the background, and then here on the top, looking very cool. But on the outside of the box, again, like with any P-Bandai kit, there's not really a whole lot to see. You can see over here, like with the full cloth, the X1 kit that we took a look at, which was an EX kit, this one does also have a similar base for that, or the same base, I guess it would be. And then on the back here, you can get a look at what is going to be included with here. So we have the Gundam, and I thought that this was coming with just one cape, but now it's kind of looking like it comes with 3 capes. So I don't know, when I first saw about this kit, when I first saw about this figure, I guess I should say, I thought it was coming with 3 capes, and then I thought, oh no, it's just coming with 1. But now seeing this picture, it makes me think that there's 3 in here. So let's just pop it open and find out. So hopefully this one also doesn't have this same kind of defect that my X1 full cloth kit had, where the face was kind of messed up on that one. I was able to get a replacement for that, which was a little bit better, but still not really like great. So yeah, hey, what do you know? Looks like we do have 3 cloths in here. This would be one for the X3, one for the X1, and one for the X2. So I'll grab those down here off the shelf in a moment, and we'll take a look at all of them all caped up. But then we have, of course, then our just kit here. So let's just take a look at the Crossbone X3 itself first. But before that, of course, we do also have our piece of Bandai chewing gum, as well as here in the bottom of the box, a little instruction thing for that. Alright, so here's a look at the Crossbone X3 itself. Looking pretty good. Definitely the face looks a lot better on this one. Like my antenna there at the top, part of my V-fin is a little bit curled, a little bit bent there. We can straighten that out. But the details, everything on it, the colors, it all looks really nice. You do have the alternative face part here that you can switch out, but which is also looking pretty good, I must say, but I think I'm just going to keep it with the open face here. Now you have 2 holding hands, but you do also have an open hand for the left side, so I'm just going to go ahead and switch that out because I'm not going to have it holding 2 things at once. There we go, that's looking pretty cool. And then we've got 3 options for the sword. So you've got this one here with, like with the Crossbone X1 full cloth, it's just like painted in this metallic silver. But then we've got this one here, which again, like with the full cloth kit, is with some clear parts there. You can have it the active or the inactive version of the sword here. So you have 3 different versions of the sword, and that's it for the holdable weapons for this. And again, here's a look at the base. Pretty cool skull and crossbones if that's the kind of thing you're into. Not really me personally. I wish it just came with a just kind of standard black square base. Something a little bit more boring. But hey, this is what we got. It's not bad. Worst comes to worst, you can just take off that part and then just make a new square base for this and just be able to just kind of glue this onto it, and that should be easy enough. Now as for these awesome cape parts, as far as I can tell, they all look exactly the same, so I think they all are looking a little bit different because they're just kind of warped from being in the plastic being contained in the box, but I think this should go on relatively easy enough. Let's give it a try here. And there we go. I gotta say that is looking pretty boss for sure with that on there. It looks really nice actually. I think that looks really good. So I'm really happy with that. But let's get our other Crossbone boys out here and try them as well. So I've got the X1 and the X2 Kai from a recent Gundam Converge series. Let's go ahead and put the capes on these boys as well. So here's the X1, very nice. The thing is that the cape is going to be hitting like the bottom of that where the foot needs to be plugged in, so it's kind of hard to keep that pushed down so the foot is all the way plugged into the base, but then the cape is kind of a little bit blocking it from doing that, so you have to kind of have the cape put a little bit back if you can. So again, maybe just hitting with this a blow dryer or a heat gun or something if you want, or I think putting it in boiling water and that'd be another way to kind of soften that, to be able to kind of reshape this cape a little bit, just to get that a little bit better. But hey, there you go, looking very cool. Bruh. And X2 Kai as well, also looking really awesome there with his big long gun there sticking out from the cape. Really cool. So here we've got all the Crossbone boys all caped up. We got the X1, the X1 full cloth, the X2 Kai, and the X3 all looking really awesome. Fantastic set of these. You gotta love these Converge figures, guys. I say it every time, but if you haven't started collecting these, start collecting them. Your wallet will not be happy with you, but you will be very happy with your collection of these Converge figures are just awesome, and especially if you take the time and go in and detail them up, just bring out all the little details in them, do a little bit of extra little detail painting, maybe throw a couple of water slide decals on there, and they're pretty awesome. So that's it for the review of the X3 here, the Converge core figure. Really love it, really happy with this. If I remember correctly, I think it was around $20 or $23, something like that. So it's a little bit pricey, but with the fact that it comes with the 3 capes in there, that definitely makes it more worth it for me, in my opinion, especially if you, of course, already have the X1 and X2 Kai. If not, then you're going to have to hunt those down as well. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other further questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.